Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sign in to your Indeed employer account. Easy guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type Indeed.com and press enter. At the top of the Indeed homepage, look for the Employers or Post a Job option. Click Employers or Post a Job to go to the employer area. On the employer page, find the Sign In button. Click Sign In to open the login screen. Make sure you are on the employer sign-in page, not the job seeker sign-in page. Click inside the email address field. Type the email address you used to create your Indeed employer account. Click inside the password field. Type your password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you are on a shared device, do not select the option that keeps you signed in. If you are on your own secure device, you may choose to stay signed in for faster access next time. Click the Sign In button to submit your login details. Wait a few seconds while Indeed verifies your information. If you see a message about incorrect details, recheck your email and password for typing errors. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password on the sign-in screen. Enter your email address and follow the reset link sent to your inbox. Open the email from Indeed and click the password reset link. Create a new strong password and save it somewhere secure. Return to the Indeed employer sign-in page after resetting your password. Sign in again using your email address and your new password. If Indeed asks for a verification code, choose your preferred method and request the code. Enter the verification code exactly as you received it. After signing in, confirm you see your employer dashboard or jobs page. If you manage multiple accounts, check you are in the correct company profile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try another browser like Chrome or Firefox. If you still cannot sign in, contact Indeed support from the help or contact link on the page. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.